Hello everyone, it's Yogibob. I'm up here in the Tahoe forest, up near some pretty cool falls you can see. I'm going to take you through a Qigong or a Chinese yoga set. For those of you who are never done it before, it's basically coordinating your breathing, your in-breaths and your out-breaths, breathing through your nose with slow dynamic movements. I'll cue you to the breath. We'll do about 4 reps per movement. There's about 22 movements that allows us to kind of gently warm and subtly warm our bodies, our ligaments, our joints, help remove chi blockages or prana blockages. You might know that from yoga, various areas where they happen. And just kind of, it's a meditative, slow practice. It's really nice to relax to. Probably take about a half hour to 45 minutes. So welcome and come along for the ride. Beautiful day, as you can see. It's freaking stunning. All right. So first, there's a couple stances. There's a normal stance, about hip width, and then a wider stance, a little more than hip width. We always start with the knees slightly bent, and let's begin by just bending and unbending the knees with the in-breath and the out-breath. So as you exhale, let's bend the knees slightly. Inhale, straightening the legs gently. Exhale, settle. Inhale. Exhale. Just focus here. And now, let's bring the arms out in front, about the midsection, bend at the elbows slightly, fingers and arms relaxed. Very gentle. Try not to be stiff with your arms like I'm exaggerating. Let them be kind of gently relaxed in a round circular motion, as if you were holding a golden ball of light or energy. And with your next in-breath, with the knees bent, in-breath, let's slowly unbend the knees and let your arms expand. And as you exhale, let the arms, hands contract gently as you bend the knees. Inhale, straighten the legs, expand arms slightly. Exhale, bring the arms slightly in. 8 more of those. Inhaling, exhaling. Feel your breath. Feel the subtle movements. Last one. Now bring your arms down to your sides. We're going to practice what's known as reaching back. So with your next inhale, let's raise the arms, palms up slowly and slightly back. With your in-breath, as you exhale, palms down, bend the knees a bit more. Reach back behind you with your hands. Then inhale, palms up slowly, up and back, reaching back. Exhale, palms down, bend the knees, reach back behind you. One more. And as you inhale, bring your arms to shoulder height, then palms down. And as you exhale, bend the knees again. Similarly, press the palms down. Reach back. Inhale up to shoulder height, palms up. Exhale, press gently, palms down. Bend the knees a bit more. Inhale. This is known as reaching forward. Exhale. Inhale. Press, exhale. And one more. And with your next inhale, come up, and as you exhale, hold that golden ball again in front of your midsection. Then as you inhale, turn to your left, straighten the legs, look behind you as you can. As you exhale, bend the knees, return to center with your body and arms. Inhale, turn to your right. Wow, nice falls. Exhale to center. Looking back, inhale, look back to your left, turn, exhale, center. Inhale, look back to your right, twist, exhale, center. 2 more rounds. And turn to center. Now, we're going to move into a first kind of balance dynamic movement. For those of you who are sitting down, I didn't mention this at the beginning, but you can do these exercises just from sitting down, especially if you have stability challenges. That's perfect. So, whether you're sitting down or standing up, we're going to start by switching the weight over our left foot leg and moving the right arm and the left leg at the same rate. Slowly lift up, standing on one leg, exhale, lower down at the same rate. Switch weight to your left foot leg. Inhale, reach the right leg up and the left arm up. And exhale, release back down. Now, if you're seated, you can just sit and raise the arm and maybe opposite leg from the seated position, and same, okay? So, let's begin. Finding your steady posture, and as you inhale, switch the weight over your right foot and lift the left leg, right arm. Exhale, at the same rate, lower. Switch weight to the left foot leg. Lift the right leg, left arm. Standing on one leg. Exhale. Inhale. Left leg, right arm. Doesn't have to be high. Inhale, right leg, left arm. Two more rounds. And come back to center. That's nice. Woo! So beautiful, but at the same time, it's a little crisp up here too. This feels great. Standing on one leg, that was. Now we're going to press heaven and earth. So we're going to take a wider stance, a little more than hip width. And we're going to start with the arms crossed in front. And as you inhale, you're going to unbend your bent knees and spread your arms out. And as you exhale, you'll just drop the arms down in front. And as you inhale, you're going to turn to your left, pressing the right palm above the crown and the left hand below the tailbone, straightening the legs. Look left, exhale. As you come back to center, hold the ball for a moment, pause, just for a moment, then inhale. Press the left hand above the head and the right palm below the tailbone. Look behind you right. Exhale, hold the ball at center. And inhale, turn left, right hand above. Pressing heaven and earth. Exhale, hold the ball at center. Inhale, left hand above. Exhale, hold the ball at center. Inhale, turn left. Right palm up, left hand down, exhale. Center, inhale, turn right, left hand above, right hand center. Exhale, come back to center. Inhale, one more. Exhale, come back. Inhale, turn right. Exhale, come back to center. Inhale, gather in. And exhale, relax. Whew. All right, pressing heaven and earth. Now, the next is called drawing the bow. It's probably the most complex movement for the Qigong set. Again, we're going to have that little more than hip width stance, a little wider stance. We're going to start with the palms, that is the wrists crossed at your heart center. And as you inhale, you're going to unbend the legs and spread the arms out to the side, circular, and exhale, settle them to the floor. Settle them in front. And as you inhale, bring your left hand like a Buddha palm to your heart space. Swing the right arm out to your right. Straighten the legs. Now my right arm's out to my left. And I'm going to draw that right arm straight back. But at the same time, I'm going to press my left palm in line with the right, looking left, bending my knees. Then I'm going to bring my right Buddha palm up. Swing my left hand all the way over to the right. Draw the left arm back and press the right palm right. As you exhale, bend the knees. Left hand Buddha palm, inhale. Circle the left hand. Right arm extends left. Exhale, draw it back. Left hand left. Right hand Buddha palm. Circle the left hand once. Swings the arm to the right. Draw it back. Right hand, press right. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more each side. Left hand Buddha palm heart. Swing the right arm to the left. Exhale. Right hand Buddha palm. Left hand takes a circle, swings to the right. Exhale, drop back, right palm right. Now inhale, gather, and exhale, expand and release. All right. Drawing the bow. Nice practice. That's the most complex movement. Now we're going to simplify again and bring it back to the normal stance, about hip width. This is known, this next movement is drawing the chi to the 4 points. So what that means, we're going to have a normal stance, and we're going to expand the arms at the midsection as if we had taffy made of light between our palms and hands. Inhale, we'll stretch it out, unbend the legs. Exhale, bring it in and bend the knees slightly. That's the first movement. Then the second movement, left hand on top. Inhale, we'll expand the hands from groin to almost the neck. Exhale, bend the knees and bring it in as a little smaller ball. Then we'll switch the hand positions. Right hand on top. Inhale and exhale. Then we'll turn to the right. Left hand in front, right hand behind. At about your midsection, inhale, you'll expand the hands away from the body, and exhale, bring them close to the midsection of the body. Then we'll turn to our left, right hand in front. Inhale, expand the hands out from the midsection. Exhale, bring them in, turned to the left. Okay? So, drawing the chi to the 4 points. Knees start bent, hands in front midsection area. Then as you inhale, stretch that light out. It's like taffy of light. Exhale, bring it in. Feel it. Then left hand's on top. Stretch it top and bottom. Inhale, expand up and down. Exhale, bring it in a little smaller at your midsection. Inhale. Exhale. The midline of your body. Feel it. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Then right hand on top. Inhale, lift, expand, exhale. Bring it a little closer. Inhale. One more. And turn to your right. Left hand's in front of the midsection, right hand's the behind midsection. You're turned to your right, looking right. And as you inhale, expand the arms away from the body gently. Exhale, bring them in back to the midsection. Inhale, stretch it out, the light through your body. Exhale, light taffy compresses a little bit. Couple more. Then turn to your left. Right hand moves in front of the midsection. Left hand back midsection. Look left. And as you inhale, expand forward and back. Exhale, come back in. And last one. And come back to center. Woo! Wow. Well, you guys are with me. You can see it. You can feel it together. You can generate your chi. Warm yourself subtly while you're doing this. Relax into breathing. Feel the movement of your body. As we go into the next movement, known as scooping up water. So we're going to start the arms down to your sides. And with knees slightly bent, you're just going to bring the arms, palms up, straight up. Inhale. Exhale, palms down. As if you just had upended the water and let it just drain down your arms. Inhale, pure water, scooping it up. Exhale, release it. Couple more. Similar to reaching back, but it's just straight upper body. Knees are moving, arms and shoulders. And one more, exhale down. Scooping up water. And exhale, release down. Now, from the down, palms up, inhale to your shoulders height, and 45 degrees up and out. Exhale, 45 degrees till you reach the shoulder height, then palms down. Inhale, shoulder height 45. Exhale, reverse that path. Feel your breath. Couple more reps. Last one. And the last one, you're going to inhale, palms up to shoulder height, then horizontally expand your arms as you inhale. Exhale, come back that same path, palms down once you reach the shoulders. Inhale, then expand out, open your chest, open up, exhale, come back in, palms down. Feel the movement of your breath. Last one. And release. Woo! Scooping up water. Now, shoulders, we're going to do round circular shoulder shrugs slowly. Now with your next inhale, lift up, drop back as you exhale. Circular, inhale, unbend the knees, exhale, bend the knees, drop the shoulders back, circular. Two more. Slow and easy. Feel your shoulders. Then reverse that. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, settle and relax forward. Shoulders forward. Two more. And finish. Whew. Now, elbows, wrists, and fingers. We're going to roll the hands and fingers inward as you inhale, and exhale, press them out. So, extend your arms out horizontal to the ground. Relax your arms and start by curling each finger, first starting with the pinky as you inhale. Pinky, second, third, fourth. Fingers down, exhale, up and out. Spread the fingers, bend your knees. Inhale, gather in. Exhale, down, up and out. Inhale. Exhale. Couple more. Slow and easy. Last one. Now we're going to reverse this. Now, bringing the hands to the backs of the hands are toward each other, thumbs down. We're going to inhale, unbend the knees, turn at the thumbs, index, and exhale. Press forward and out, spread fingers, inhale. Thumbs down, exhale, press out, inhale. Straighten the legs, exhale, bend the knees, press out. Couple more. And last one. Woo! Wow. So good. Neck rotations now. 3 neck rotation movements. Three circles, so to speak. So let's drop your chin down. This is going to be the widest, slow, easy. From here, head down. Then, as you inhale, slowly to one side, exhale, down the other. Bend the knees. Inhale, unbend. Roll the head up and out. Exhale, roll it down. Couple more. And reverse that. Inhale. Lift up. Exhale, roll it down. This is the widest circle for the neck, head circles. 2 more. Now, second, we're going to try to feel this about the middle of the neck, so it's a smaller circle. So what I like to do is I just kind of like to tuck my chin inward, turn to the other side, and make it extend out. So inhale, kind of tuck a medium circle for the middle of the neck. Exhale, feel it there. Inhale, exhale. It's kind of like a circular move, like an Egyptian, so to speak. From that song by the Bangles. If you guys were around in the 80s or you heard that song, you might have known it. Walk like an Egyptian. Inhale, exhale. Let's reverse that. Inhale, tuck the chin. Exhale, protrude it out. A mid circle for the mid neck. Inhale, exhale. Couple more. Come to center. The smallest circle is up at the top of the neck, so it's a real small circle for the head. Feel it at the top of the neck. Inhale, small circle. Exhale, other side. And let's reverse that. Last one. Remember to throughout, just keep bending and unbending the knees. Inhale, unbends. Exhale, bend slightly. All right? All right, we're about the last third of the set. Coiling dragon, both directions. You'll start bending the knees slightly, relaxing your low back, letting your upper body move approximately horizontal to the ground. And with your inhale, you'll slowly unbend the knees and let the top of the head lift up and start. As you come up to the top, you'll open your chest, and as you exhale, round your shoulders, your spine, drop the head straight down, bend the knees. Inhale, lift the top of the head up. Open your chest. Exhale, round, drop head down. Couple more. Now, as you come down, with your next inhale, you'll let the top of your head come up last. As you inhale, come on up. And as you exhale, here at the top. Then looking up, let's open our chest. Bend your knees as you inhale. Exhale, drop the head, round the shoulders. Head comes up last. Inhale, look up. Exhale, drop forward, unbend, head comes up last. Two more. Coiling dragon. Whew. All right. Now, hip rotations. Circular hip rotations. And we're going to come to that wide stance. Start with the knees bent. Cross arms at the heart center. Space. As you inhale, open your arms out. And as you exhale, settle your arms out to the side. Knees bent. Now, as you inhale, start a slow motion hula hoop motion. Exhale, the second half of that motion. Your hand should stay steady, shoulders not too much movement. Inhale, exhale for half a circle. Slow motion hula hoop. Let's reverse that. Inhale, exhale. And come to center. Woo! Now, we're going to turn toward our right. About 45. Knees start bent. Palms to chest. Excuse me. As you inhale, let's spread the arms again. Exhale, relax them out to the sides. We're going to do figure eights for the hip knees. So starting with the right leg, start circling it in. Left leg, start circling it in. All turned toward the right with your upper body. So inhale, exhale, figure eights. Couple more. Slow and easy. Now reverse that. Inhale, exhale. Couple more. And come to center. Whew. Now, let's turn about 45 degrees for your upper body toward the left. Knees start bent. Inhale, open the arms. Exhale, keep them spread. Then start in one of your knees inwardly, then the other knee inwardly. Figure eights. And reverse. And finish. Woo! Anytime you need to just kind of release tension, if you didn't already start doing that on your own, you don't need permission from me. Never go to the point of pain. All right? Nice to have you all along. Anyhow, it's so beautiful right now. I'm freaking stunned just by everything. Wow. All right. So we're going to isolate the hips, starting by standing on the left leg. It probably looks like the right leg to you, but it's actually my left leg. Just go with it. And switch your weight to your left leg. Arms stay relaxed down to your sides. We're going to do hip circles, isolating the right hip. Small circle as you inhale. Exhale, the other half. Inhale, balancy. Exhale, keep the top of your head over your foot. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Then reverse that. Inhale. Exhale for the second half. Doesn't have to be big. And finish. Now, switch your weight to your right over your right foot leg. Remember, if the top of the head stays above the foot, and this applies to yoga too, that's a good way to keep your steadiness. You have this center of axis, which allows that center of gravity to stay fairly stable through that center of vertical axis. All right, find that good spot. Switch your weight to your right foot. Arms stay relaxed down to your side. And with your next inhale, roundhouse, small. Exhale, second half. Inhale, circles. Feel your hip. Couple more. Doesn't have to be a big circle. Woo! Let's reverse that. Inhale. Exhale. I was trying too hard. Inhale. Exhale. And a couple more. Last one. And come back to center. Whew. All right, walk it out. Now, we're moving down. As you can see, we started with the upper body. And we're moving down through the ligament, joint area, muscular areas from top. Well, not strictly from top, but this half of the session kind of brings the direction of as if you were grounding your chi into the ground chi from the earth. It's a really nice feeling. This grounding into your body with the earth body. But you're never separate anyhow. Just remind ourselves with that when we practice Qigong. Sun, sky, wind, trees, earth, rock. It's freaking sick in a good way. The elements, just like communing with the elements, your body, mind, movement, breath, they're not separate. All right. Knee rotations. So let's bend into the right knee slightly. We're going to guide the knee with our hands slowly as you inhale, exhale. Reverse that. No need to move fast. Just feel your knee. Let's bend into the left knee. Guide it with your hands. Relatively slow and easy. Inhale for the first half of a circle. Exhale. Reverse. And come to center with both legs closer together so we can do both knees at the same time. Bend the knees starting and guide the knees with each hand. Inhale for the first half of a double knee circle. Exhale, second half. Slow and easy. Reverse. Woo! And come to center. Walk it out a little bit. Release blockages. Whew. Yeah. Now, we're going to stand on the left foot leg again so we can turn at the right ankle. And we're going to do ankle rotations, okay? So arms are relaxed down to your side. Top of the head centers just above the left foot. Raise the right foot up and focus on the ankle as you inhale slowly. Turning the toes, drawing a circle with the toes. Inhale, half circle, exhale, other half. Reverse that. And switch sides. Bring your weight over your right leg. Left leg lifts only at the ankle. Inhale, draw a circle with the big toe. Exhale, half the other circle. Inhale, exhale. 3, 4. Reverse. And release. Woo. Walk it out. Now, we're out here at the last couple movements, Qigong movements. Yay! We're getting her done. All right, this is called knocking. You start from about hip width, whatever feels right for you. You'll bend. If you have knee issues, don't bend the knees much, all right? And from here, for those who have knee issues, you'll just inhale, unbend the legs slowly and raise the arms, palms up. Then exhale, let the arms drop and bend the knees about the same bend. And let the breath out, let the arms swing. Try not to do this bowing stuff. Keep your torso somewhat upright. Just bend into the knees and let the arms drop, yeah? All right. I start a little bit lower. So, I'm going to do 4 of those. Knocking from wherever you're bending your knees. Let's inhale, unbend, raise arms up. Reach, exhale, release, bend the knees. Again, let's inhale, rise up. Lift it and exhale, release. Once more, inhale, lift up. And exhale. Let's inhale, they're up as we come up. And exhale, press out. Reground. Last exercise, a series of movements known as rooting. Again, a wider stance. A little bit more than hip width wide. Bend knees, start. Palm, that is, arms cross at heart. As you inhale, circle the arms out, straighten the legs slowly, inhale. And exhale, gently press. Inhale up to the shoulder height. Exhale, press. Inhale, circle out. Exhale, press. Cross the arms in the front. Inhale as you come up. Exhale, press forward, palms, and out to the sides. Inhale, let's bring the arms up to the shoulders height. Exhale, press. Inhale, circle out. Exhale, press. Inhale, cross arms in front. Exhale, press forward and out to the sides. Then inhale, let's gather it in. And exhale, expand, release. Whew. All right, don't you all feel rooted now? All right, so that's Yogibob's 22 movement Qigong session up here, just below these beautiful falls here in the Tahoe area. Might have noticed some people walking by throughout the practice. Well, it's a popular hiking area, but not too many people up here today, since it is a little chilly still. It feels like early or mid-spring right now. I got to tell you, that was a beautiful time to practice with you all. I hope you can take advantage of this and use this whenever you need to. Just kind of release tension and get yourself centered and grounded, clear out blockages. It's a really nice, gentle practice. Chinese yoga, Qigong is what it's called. And I hope to see you again. Hope you enjoy this. Until we meet again, at that time, we'll get it on. All right? Thank you very much. May this practice benefit all beings who are practicing with me and all beings who feel this generated groundedness from you. Thank you very much.